Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to create Snapchat shortcut. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and it's same for iPhone and Android devices. So you don't need to have to worry. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, simply you will open your Snapchat. Okay. So you will take a snap here. You will tap on send to. At the top there is a written at the top corner there is written shortcuts. You will simply tap on shortcuts. You will tap on new shortcut. We have created one. So here you will choose an emoji. We have chosen the emoji and then you will tap on the contact which you have to select for your shortcut. You will simply tap on any account which you have to add your shortcut. You will tap on create shortcut. The shortcut has been created. So if you want to delete the shortcut, you will simply go to your shortcuts which is at the top corner. So these are the two shortcuts which we have created. You will simply tap on that arrow which is on the shortcut. You will simply tap on the top corner three dotted lines and you will tap on delete shortcut. You will tap on delete. Shortcut has been deleted. So if you want to delete your next as well, you will simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top corner and delete your shortcut. So this is the process of creating a Snapchat shortcut. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.